have fun.
So I'm just a girl, and if you're a girl rider, you probably already know where this is going. Every time we go for a ride, we have to bring our entire life with us. We need our phone charger, we need lip gloss, we need our wallet, we need snacks, not good when I'm hungry. I need my hoodie, definitely not good when I'm cold. And my old saddlebags, they just weren't cutting it. They were way too small. Every time I would go for a ride, it became a game of what could I fit and what could my husband carry. Viking Bags sent me my new saddlebags, and it has been an absolute game changer. Let me show you why. So Viking Bags sent me the Lamellar Raven hard saddlebags for my 2016 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883 Iron. And the biggest thing I noticed right away was how much storage they actually have. These are the 36-liter version, and they hold so much. Let's take a look inside. There is a latch that actually locks, and inside you can see holds so much. There is a little zipper pocket over here so you can put your registration. I really put so much stuff in here when I went to Laconia. I had my entire toiletry bag in just one of these. And in here I have rain gear, I have multiple pairs of gloves, I have a hoodie, and I could still probably fit some more stuff in there. So, full disclosure, I did not install these myself. My guy Frankie handles all the work on our Harleys, and he is way more mechanically inclined than I am. So Frankie handled the installation for me, and that included the Viking turn signal relocation kit, and everything came out beautifully. Now, one issue we did have a problem with is my current sissy bar. We ended up having to ditch that. The Viking bags just would have stuck out a little bit too far for my liking, and that just wasn't the look that I was going for. So no problem. I took my current sissy bar off. Viking does sell their own sissy bars, so I do plan on grabbing one of those soon, just so I can complete my whole look. Talk about the build quality. One thing I really like about these are that they're actual hard saddlebags. My previous bags were soft bags and super small, flopped around a lot, and just really didn't go with the overall look of the bike. These ones are a gloss finish. They really look custom on the bike and just gives it an overall custom appearance. Now, for me, the extra storage, the hard bag design, and just the overall custom look gave it a huge upgrade. And I'm just really happy to have the Viking bags on my Sportster. Now, every time I go for a ride, I don't have to play a guessing game of what I can bring and what I have to leave behind. So thank you, Viking Bags, for sending these to me. I absolutely love them, and they look amazing on my Sportster. So if you've been wondering about these Viking saddlebags, the turn signal relocation kit, and how it all comes together, I'm more than happy to help you navigate any questions you might have about them. Whether it's about the bags themselves, getting the turn signals relocated, or the installation process, please don't hesitate to send me a direct message. I'm here, and I'm more than happy to share what I know and help you out.
Guys just don't wanna have fun.